In this video, I will be covering exactly what I want you to do in the assignment for the first portion of creating the batch file. So again, since I've been working in the desktop test directory, I'm going to continue working in that. And I'm using Notepad as my text editor, and I'm going to call this auto backup .bat. Now when you submit this, you need to rename it just to auto backup or whatever your file name is accordingly. Now again, it'll say cannot find this. Do you want to create the new file? Yes, I want to create this. And the first thing that I'm going to do is put in a remark line and then type in my name. So just to put in the comment, title this with your name in the code or in the script. That way I know it's you. The next thing that I want to do is I want to make a directory called backups. Alright. The next thing that I would like to do is make a directory of backups documents, and this is where my documents files are going to enter. So from here, I'm going to use the xcopy command because I'm copying files in bulk. So I know that on my computer, the local hard drive is C. I am using Windows 10 on this machine. Windows 7 is the same exact thing. I believe 8 as well. Pretty much if you're using XP, this file path will be a little bit different. But I am going to use the username variable. Now this is something to note. Variables within Windows are all caps and they're between 2% signs. So if I were to plug this into any customer's computer, if they have Windows 7 or Windows Vista and above, then this script should work for backing up all of their files, all of their documents in this case. But what I want you to do in the assignment is the documents, the pictures, the music, and the videos. So make sure you include all of the code and create the directories accordingly. So when I have this, the username, documents, and I'm going to specify a wildcard in here as such, and this is something to note here. Since I want this to run directly from a flash drive into that flash drive or into that hard drive, I did not specify any drive letter. What that is going to do is wherever this autobackup.batch file resides, it will back it up to that drive where it lives. So pretty much, hey, start with where I'm at and then just do everything after my existence. And then this will back that up into that. So this way you can use a different flash drive, you can use a different hard drive, and it doesn't matter what the drive letter is, so long as it exists within that space. So I'm going to save this and close this, and notice auto backup was created. And just for the sake of, I'm going to use copy auto backup.bat into E for my Lexmark. Yeah, there we go. The file was copied. If I go to E, whoops, there we go, and I run the dir command, we notice auto backup.bat exists. If I open up my whatever you want drive, you notice auto backup exists in here. So if I double click on this, just something that I'll be verifying that works, you notice this xcopy command is copying into the backups documents, but we're not seeing anything here. Don't worry about that quite yet. I'm going to stop this right now. So here we go. Control C to stop it. I stop it. Still, you don't see anything, but boom, once you refresh it, you notice backup, documents, and I have a lot of PDF scans that I had before. So that is what I want you to do for this assignment. But I need you to do it for documents, pictures, videos, music, in any order. It doesn't really matter. Just make sure that you get everything in there.